The fruit that comes to mind every summer is watermelon, right? You probably eat a lot of it to beat the heat because of its cool and sweet taste. But if you've just been eating it to quench your thirst, it's time to change your perspective a little. Watermelon is a fruit that becomes like a precious medicinal tonic if you know how to eat it. Did you know it plays a big role in thoroughly cleansing thick, sticky waste from your blood vessels? According to research from a renowned university in the USA, people who consistently consume the abundant lycopene in watermelon had up to a 45% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and myocardial infarction. So, in today's video, we'll learn about the key components of watermelon that cleanse your blood vessels, and I'll tell you how to eat watermelon like a medicinal tonic. We've also prepared a wealth of tips for your vascular health, including how to utilize watermelon seeds and rind and important precautions you must know when eating watermelon. Especially if you're middle-aged or older and concerned about blood pressure, cholesterol, and heart health, please stay with us until the end of today's video. Hello, this is Health Info Channel. Are there still people who haven't subscribed yet? If so, please hit subscribe and like right below. Now wishing you good health, Health Info Channel begins. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it excellent for expelling waste from the body and acting as a diuretic. However, it's not simply a fruit that's just full of water. The red flesh of watermelon is rich in powerful antioxidants like lycopene, citrulline, beta-carotene, and vitamins A and C. These help greatly in reducing inflammation in blood vessels, controlling blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Lycopene, in particular, has a higher absorption rate in watermelon than in tomatoes. It suppresses active oxygen, which thickens arteries, and plays an excellent role in dissolving blood clots. A joint study by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and a renowned university in 2020, who consumed a certain amount or more of watermelon daily, had a 20% decrease in blood triglyceride levels and a 22% increase in blood vessel dilation indicators compared to the group who didn't. Furthermore, a component called citrulline in watermelon is converted into arginine in the body, which gently relaxes blood vessels and promotes blood circulation. This is effective in preventing problems frequently occurring after middle age, such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and peripheral vascular disease. Next, I'll tell you how to absorb these watermelon components more effectively. Did you know that the lycopene component in watermelon is actually difficult to fully benefit from just by eating it? Plain, lycopene is a fat-soluble compound, meaning it needs to be consumed with fat for our bodies to absorb it well. Some research suggests that if you just eat raw watermelon, the absorption rate might be less than 10%. But here's a truly welcome method: the combination of adding watermelon to plain yogurt. If you cut about 1 cup of ripe watermelon into pure yogurt, without sugar or flavorings, and eat them together, the fat components in the yogurt help absorb lycopene, and you can also consume vitamin E, beneficial bacteria, and protein, multiplying the health benefits. What's even more surprising is that eating watermelon and yogurt together is effective in reducing inflammation in blood vessels and lowering bad cholesterol levels. This combination is particularly effective in promoting smooth bowel movements by increasing beneficial gut bacteria, and it also boosts skin health and strengthens immunity. It's truly a natural combo that can empty waste from your body and keep your blood vessels clean. With just 1 bowl of watermelon yogurt, it's light enough to eat on an empty stomach in the morning, or as a light dessert. And while eating watermelon plain is good, you can also enjoy it as a healthy snack that becomes medicine. With a little bit of a twist, the combination I especially recommend is a healthy fruit punch recipe. First, prepare 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk or regular milk. Add bite-sized watermelon pieces, blueberries, avocado, and almonds. Finally, add a pinch of cinnamon powder and a light nut topping. Eating it this way reduces blood sugar worries, increases satiety, and provides antioxidants and healthy fats all at once. Most importantly, it contains dietary fiber and healthy fats that raise blood sugar slowly, so we can confidently recommend it to those concerned about blood sugar or those on a diet. Especially in the summer, when appetites tend to wane, it's a light and satisfying healthy recipe that's easy to eat for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Try this watermelon fruit punch that's delightful to your palate and light on your body this summer. Even by eating it this way, you can fully enjoy the health benefits of watermelon. But actually, watermelon has even healthier parts than its flesh. More powerful nutrients are hidden in the parts that many people just throw away. The best components of watermelon are hidden in its seeds and rind. Now, I'll tell you how to use them. First, watermelon seeds are rich in linoleic acid, protein, and citrulline. Linoleic acid, in particular, is effective in lowering blood, cholesterol, and preventing body fat accumulation. In a medical text, watermelon seeds are recorded as being good for strengthening bladder and kidney function and preventing inflammation. However, people with weak digestive systems should avoid swallowing them. Raw, as it can cause indigestion and abdominal pain, it's recommended to chew them thoroughly or lightly. Roast them in a pan and eat them like nuts. Also, boiling roasted watermelon seeds to make tea is effective for diuresis and swelling reduction. And the white rind of watermelon contains more than twice as much citrulline as the flesh. Citrulline is a component that relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and is effective in preventing high blood pressure. Try slicing the rind thinly, salting it, and then mixing it with chili paste, plum extract, and sesame oil to make a seasoned watermelon rind side dish. It has a great texture and is perfect when you don't have an appetite in the summer. Now, even with such a good watermelon, there are precautions you should take when eating it. Watermelon fundamentally has a cold nature that cools the body. Therefore, those who are naturally cold, have weak stomachs, or frequently experience indigestion or diarrhea should avoid consuming it on an empty stomach or right before bed. Especially if you're concerned about blood sugar, it's better to consume it in divided portions, ideally no more than 3 to 4 slices per day, rather than eating a large amount at once. This is because watermelon is a fruit with a subtly high sugar content, and consuming it all at once can cause a sharp rise in blood sugar. It's much more helpful for blood sugar management to eat small portions as a snack, after meals, and if possible, eat it with foods containing protein or fat like nuts or soy milk, as this helps slow down sugar absorption. Also, those with impaired kidney function should consult their doctor to adjust their intake due to watermelon's potassium content, which can cause electrolyte imbalance. Finally, here's a summary of healthy watermelon, eating tips, and a concluding thought. Watermelon is a great summer fruit for vascular health, heart protection, cholesterol improvement, and inflammation reduction. Consuming it with yogurt increases absorption, and utilizing the seeds and rind truly transforms it into a natural blood vessel cleanser. However, the key is to divide your intake appropriately, according to your constitution and health condition. Even 1 slice a day, consumed mindfully, can make your blood vessels progressively cleaner and more flexible. From now on, remember watermelon not just as a thirst quencher, but as a healthy fruit to be eaten like a medicinal tonic. I hope you take good care of yourselves by following today's advice and always stay healthy. If there's a topic you'd like to know about, please leave a comment. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share the video with your valuable loved ones around you. We'll be back with more healthy information next time. Have a healthy and enjoyable day today.